this one. Okay, dear. This don't pop. This is not interesting. You just want to I'll get out of this. Okay, yeah.
You don't want to be in the picture?
No.
Why? You're beautiful, Nav.
Hi. You're baby Lila for TV.
For TV? You knew that I was in TV?
How's he feeling
Sit on
there?
that
Does
chair,
he bounce
Peter.
back
You sit
now?
on that chair.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Yeah, but let's see what it's Whoa. Let's open it. It's mine.
Lila might never open it, okay?
Oh, did you figure out what's in there now?
Yes.
It's chalk.
Do you see the chalkboard?
It's behind Peter.
Play school.
See, there's the chalkboard. And
Pretend
here's
you're Miss
the,
Martin.
you guys, and these are full, this is full of crayons if you want to make pictures on this big piece of paper right here. Do you know the word crayons, Peter? I swear you do.
Mom, you
think
missed him
so.
with the hair pretty.
I missed him with the hair pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Did you take a picture?
Oh, yeah.
What are they doing, Peter? They're making
It's a
pictures.
good idea to have that big chalkboard on the wall.
I bought that when Bill was really little.
Yeah.
But there's
I don't know
one
if they
place
like it,
that's real
Rose.
funny because Sophie took chapstick and went on it. So I've used everything I can think of to try to give
Yeah.
that, you know.
Oh,
And it's but
funny.
it's real slate, I think. And so it just goes into the grain of it, you know, and it'll just never completely come out. But
Is it heavy? It's pretty heavy.
it's pretty heavy. Not crazy. I don't think it's like a real thick,
Yeah.
but it was one that I got at Stevenson's or one of the school supply places, I think, when they were little, when Bill was little.
Yeah.
And it's funny because Dan's parents always had one in their basement.
Oh, they did?
Smaller,
Yeah.
but you know.